Good morning. Let's work together on Lesson 5.2, Identify and Write number 7, pages 109 and 110. At the top of our page, we see the number 7. 7 goes across the top line and angles down all the way to the bottom line. I'm going to trace and trace, and then finally make my own. I can also represent 7 with the number word S-E-V-E-N. So I could use either the number symbol, 7, or I could write the number word. Another way I can represent 7 is by drawing 7 objects. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can also write 7 with tally marks. So this is how I would make 7 in tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, 5 comes across. And then I need to make 6 and 7. All of these are ways that I can represent the number 7. I can write it with the symbol 7, the number word 7, 7 objects, or 7 tally marks. At the bottom, they would like me to put an X on each group of 7 fish. This is a little complicated because the fish are all kind of squished together, so I need to be careful when I'm counting to make sure that there are 7 in each tank. I'm going to make a mark on the fish as I count them so I know which fish I have counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This group indeed has 7, so I need to put an X on it. How about this group? I'm going to guess there aren't enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My guess was right. There are only 6. I have 3 on top and 3 on bottom, so that's my representation of 6. Let's look over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. Kind of you can see a group of 3 and a group of 3, so I know that's 6. That's not enough. Here, I can easily identify 4 fish. 2 here, 2 here gives me 4. Not enough. How about this one? This one's a little bit more tricky because the fish are all on top of each other. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Indeed, there are 7, so I'm going to X that out. My final box has 3 fish. I can easily see there are not enough. Okay, let's turn over our page and continue our work. So for this first thing that we need to do, they've given us a number, and I need to color in the bones so that it matches the number they've given me. So for the first one, I have a number 7, so I need to color in 7 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, just to make it easier on my eyes, I'm going to switch colors. So for the next row, I only need to color in 2 bones. So 1, 2. Now I need to color in 5 bones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the bottom row, they would like me to color in 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So for number 2, they are giving us a picture of something we have not seen before. This picture is called a number line. And as you can see, it is a line with these little marks on it. Each of these marks stands for one of the numbers on the number line. As we go through math, you're going to become very familiar with number lines. And number lines can go on forever because numbers are pretty much infinite. You can go backwards and have negative numbers, or you can continue counting up and you can just go as far as you want. Our number line starts at 0. And we have the numbers that are missing. So I need to write the number that comes after 0, which of course we know is 1. The next number would be 2. And again, I'm going to take this opportunity to try and write my numbers as neatly as I can. After 2 would be 3. And then finally, I would have 4. Again, this little thing right here is called a number line, and I've just filled in the numbers that go with each tick mark, and that represents one number on the number line. That is our lesson for today.